Well, Sakura is a bitch, is a big fat bitch, and the only bitch in the whole damn show. She is just a bitch, just a pin down bitch, is against Malamut Sasuke, that hoe. Naruto, you're a jerk, you're a big fat fart, no one likes you in this anymore. You're just a man, you want Sasuke, it's not a show, you know that for sure. Sakura, Naruto, no one here is a hoe, why cannot we just love each other? Listen, boys and girls, in this beautiful world should always be best friends forever. Bitch, 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 Sakura's such a bitch! If there's a bitch in this world, then Sakura is the only bitch!
Ask around the Naruto world and they should sound a little something like this.
If I could be one person for a day, it sure as hell wouldn't be you.
Sakura is like a stinky snake! Sakura is fat!
Sakura performs sexual activities for money. In other words, she is a whore.
Well, that's pretty much it. Sakura is a bitch. Looking at her face makes me pass out. She smells so bad, I got nothing else to add. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Bitch, 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 bitch. Sakura's such a bitch. If there's a bitch in this world, then Sakura is the only bitch. I really mean it, Sakura.
She's a stupid, stinky bitch!
Ja.